came to life, but they aren't thrilled about it. What happens if I make a baby doll come to life? Come on! I guess this isn't the best idea ever. Ta-da! Pizza's here! Thanks! What about money? Hey! Where did everyone go? Are you waiting for something? Yeah! So you're our new maid? What? Here, take care of the laundry. Thanks! And this will come in handy. Burn! Don't burn! Burn! Don't burn! So, my first order to my loyal people. Sorry, what are you doing? This is really great for issuing royal orders. This is paper, but it's not for writing royal orders. It's toilet paper. I'm confused. Let me introduce myself. I'm your new teacher. He's amazing. I teach Fashion 101. Fashion is the foundation of our civilization. I could listen to it forever. But what do I see? He's coming! Where's my ink liner? I have to look flawless. Painted jar. Cut the top off an eyeliner cap. Glue the eyeliner with the brush into the jar. Attach an artificial crystal with a hole to the top. Put a feather into the hole. And now I'm ready to meet my love. This is the latest issue of Vogue. It's so hard to find. I am so lucky. I can't believe it. He traded me for a magazine. He has to know how sad I am. Let's go over the basics of Italian. If you add Dolce & Gabbana, what happens? Who wants to answer? Princess Jenna, go ahead. Sir, this is impossible.
Huh?
Princesses cannot come up to the board. The board comes to the princess. Well, who am I to argue with a princess? Go ahead, Your Highness. Thank you, sir. The answer is obvious. Marvelous! Perfect! Was that even an option? A princess breakfast! Bon appetit! Not bad! Try this one! Thanks! Oh no! I have to film it! Oh, now I see! No, no, no! My phone! This is actually the best way. Ew. This was so unexpected! What an amazing smell! What is that? Hold the book straight, servant! Yes, Your Highness!
Hey!
No cheating during the exam! Come on! I wasn't even going to cheat! This is just my servant! He's busy with some tasks. Well, okay. I'm a princess! I should look stunning! I wonder what this cute thing is. So soft! Is it for hair? No, I think it's for teeth. Oh, you don't brush your teeth like that. We use toothpaste. Oh, thanks. I got it. But, I think you didn't get it right. Fine. Let's see. Whoa! I have to try this on. A necklace. A ring. Bracelets. Seems like there's nothing left. But this is enough. Uh-oh. It's too much. Woohoo! Skate or die! What is this weird thing? Should I try it? What if I ride this round item? Come on! This is clearly not for princesses.
Oops.
Let's have a tea party. Watch closely. Put a tea bag into a cup and pour in water from a tea kettle. But why? That's weird. Now you try. Here you go. Right. Pour in water. And drink tea. But dolls always drink tea from empty cups. You're not dolls anymore. Did you forget? This is terrible. What's wrong? My shoe! It's lost again. I only have one left. It happens all the time. It's very common for princesses. Should we ask the princess to come over? Bring in the shoes. Be my princess.
Ew.
What kingdom do they wear these shoes in? This is horrible. This one is better. No way. This is a hard no. Take this shoe away. Take it. We can't throw it away. Oh no! This is a disaster! Princess, try this shoe on. This is it. It's mine. What? Flowers? Apply glue to an old shoe. Coat it with glitter. Put in potting soil. Plant roses. This shoe has been waiting for too long. But I love roses. Hey guys, I'm live streaming from Princess Class. Girls, all of you can be princesses if you believe in yourself. Lucy, look, there are a lot of comments and likes. Is that a lot? Look at my mirror. Cover a mirror on a handle with decorative stones and pearls. Attach a printed picture of an iPhone camera to the back. And a logo. Apply glue to the logo and sprinkle it with glitter. Attach beads along the logo outline and the camera. Add stones and pearls. This is a lot. It's like my mirror is made out of parts. What a wonderful new day. Good morning. Oh no! I look like I had a sleepover at the Beast Castle. I need to fix myself right now. Where is my blush? Sprinkle a fake rose with a lot of rubbing alcohol. Coat it with a layer of blush. Hot glue a clear sphere to a candle holder. Add an accessory handle and a lock. Put the rose inside. This blush will quickly turn a beast into a beauty. There we go! Much better! The ball is coming up soon and I still haven't picked my dress. This is all wrong. What if? No, definitely no. Princesses, could you hurry up? We are gonna be late. There has to be at least something. Is this a pumpkin? Why is it here? A pumpkin! Let's turn it into a carriage. It's not working. This pumpkin is defective. Girls, forget about it. I have a carriage already, but it's very small. So we will turn it into a big carriage. Paint a wooden carriage. Decorate it with stones. Make holes in the sides with a milling cutter. Attach a chain handle. Cut a circle out of satin fabric. Fill it with stuff. Put a ribbon along the perimeter to make a bag. Put the sack in the carriage to be the main division of the bag. We need a strong spell. Otherwise, we won't be able to get to the ball. Girls, I know the strongest spell. It's called getting a taxi. Let's go out. It's waiting for us. What an unusual item. These are headphones. You have to connect them to a phone and you can hear. Is this some kind of magic? It's called music. You turn it on and listen to it. Except I can't put them on. The tiara is in the way. I know. I'll have a headphone tiara. Attach decorative stones to headphones. Glue a tiara on. This is much better. I think I starting to like this music. Did you like our video? Then comment below which princess you liked the most. And don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so you don't miss any hilarious new videos from Troom.